Good morning all. Carrying on from Manny and the team's brilliant improvements, I have an improvement to how we edit our videos. I have found an app that will automatically remove all the background noise from our videos. Here is the software being used to help edit Manny's video. I will switch between the original and the filtered video so you can hear the difference.
Hello, good morning. That's Hollie by my machine, and this is doing my heading at the moment because it's messed everywhere. So I'm gonna give a little improvement on that section though. Have a look. What you like it, please give a comment. Thank you. We'll update you in the next video. Welcome back guys. So that was nothing. So which one doing my heading? So I done a bit cleaning on it. Labeling up so I know that is my copper cleaner and that is my anti sparker. Yeah.
Once the video is done, all you need to do is click done and save. The app is called Denoise. I have downloaded it on the lean iPhone and it doesn't take long to work its magic. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.